June for 6 months.
Okay,
was
a bill drawn on which date?
5th June.
5th June. Okay. For how many months?
6 months.
6 months. Okay, so what is nominal due date? July, August, September, October, November. 5th November. बरोबर? Sorry. नहीं. July, August, September, October, November, December. 5th December. Okay. So nominal due date is 5th December. So legal due date is what?
8 December.
8th December. तर पहिला नेहमी हे फाइंड करून ठेवायचं. ओके, यू रिमेंबर दॅट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 ना. हा, ठीक आहे. Rate of interest is given are 5% per. Okay. Then, so it is discounted. Bill was discounted on 19th October. Bill was discounted. Discounted मतलब पे केलं. Okay. At what date? 19th October. बरोबर. So now let me tell you, 5th June, मतलब 19 October, we will say October, then November, then December. तो ऑलरेडी 19 ऑक्टोबरला पे केलं ना. मग किती दिवस राहिले? ऑक्टोबर मध्ये किती दिवस असतात? जानेवारी, फेब्रुवारी, मार्च, एप्रिल, मे, जून, जुलै, ऑगस्ट, सप्टेंबर, ऑक्टोबर. 31 डेज असतात. मग 31 मधनं 19 गेले किती राहिले? 12 डेज. करेक्ट. 12 डेज. नोव्हेंबर मध्ये 30 डेज अँड डिसेंबर मध्ये किती आहे टोटल? 8. टोटल डेज किती भेटले त्याला डिस्काउंट? 12, 20, 50 दिवस त्याला लवकर भेटले. मतलब किती डिस्काउंट भेटला? किती दिवसावरती डिस्काउंट भेटला? 15 डेज, 50 डेज वरती. So he discounted on 50 days. Agree? So here n is what? N is what? 50 days. Means 50 upon 365 years. Okay? Now let me continue. Like that you have to do step by step. Okay? Step by step. आता मला काल ते पेंट वरती नव्हतं लिहायला जमलं होतं, पण असं लिहायला मजा येते. Okay? You always do step by steps. Okay? Now next. Question, sorry, let me read the question. If the cash value of the bill is 43,500, okay, cash value, CV is given 43,500 rupees. What is the question? What is the face value? So let face value be what? X rupees. Agree? So what is banker discount? Banker discount is always face value minus cash value. Understood? So for banker discount is what? Face value minus cash value. So what is the face value? X minus 43,500. Understood? So now what is the banker discount? The formula. What is the second formula? What is the actual formula for banker discount? Face value multiplied by n multiplied by r upon what? 365 multiplied by 100. Okay, so what is the banker discount we got here? X minus 43,500. Whatever. Face value is X. N is how much? 50. R is how much? 5% upon 365 into 100. Okay. Now let me simplify this. 50, 50 to the 100. 5, 7, 35, 5, 3 is. Whatever. So what is the simplified term we will get here? X minus 43,500 equals to X upon 3 to the 6, 7 to the 14, 146. X upon 146. So now what I will do, how to solve? This X upon 146 will come here. X minus X upon 146 equals to 43,500. So 146 ones are 1 minus कितना है ना 145 X upon 146 बरोबर. So what is x equals to 43500 multiplied by 146 upon 145. Agreed? So 14 threes are 42, 145 threes are. बरोबर समझ लगा लेकिन 14 threes are 42 and 5 threes are 15 तो 420 plus 15 how much you will get 435. Okay, this multiply 3 6 are 18. Wait students, let me start the zoom. तो 3 6 are 18 का 1, 3 4 are 12 plus 1 13 का 1, 3 1 are 3 plus 1 1, 438. Okay, 43800 rupees. So therefore, what is the face value? Face value is what? 43,800 rupees. Hope so you understood the numerical. Please copy.